Meet Alex, a young entrepreneur full of dreams and energy. In a small but vibrant office adorned with motivational posters, Alex sketches out a business plan on a whiteboard. The laptop screen glows with spreadsheets and market research. This is the beginning of an exciting journey, fueled by passion and a belief that anything is possible. Little does Alex know, the road ahead will test every ounce of determination. 2 years later, the dream crumbles. Unpaid bills pile up on the desk, and a closed sign hangs on the office door. Alex sits alone in the dimly lit room, staring at the remnants of what was once a thriving business. Inexperience and financial mismanagement have taken their toll. This is the harsh reality of entrepreneurship, a lesson learned the hard way. After the failure, Alex takes a low-paying job to make ends meet. Nights are spent editing a resume and jotting down lessons learned in a notebook titled Failures and Lessons. The uniform of a part-time job hangs in the background. It's a humbling experience, but Alex knows this is just a stepping stone to something greater. With newfound knowledge, Alex launches a second venture. This time, the approach is different, leaner, smarter. In a co-working space, Alex and a small team discuss a refined business plan. The energy is cautious, but optimistic. The lessons from the first failure are evident in every decision, from budgeting to marketing strategies. Just as the business gains traction, disaster strikes. A global economic crisis hits, and headlines scream of market crashes. The shelves are empty, and bankruptcy papers loom on Alex's desk. Despite the careful planning, external forces have once again derailed the dream. The weight of failure feels unbearable. In a dimly lit apartment, Alex sits alone, the laptop screen blank. Ignored calls flash on the phone. The weight of 2 failures is crushing, and self-doubt creeps in. Is entrepreneurship just not meant to be? This is the lowest point, a moment of deep reflection and questioning. A turning point arrives over coffee with a seasoned mentor. The older advisor listens intently as Alex shares the struggles. Sketches of a new business model emerge on napkins. The mentor's wisdom provides clarity. Failure isn't the end, it's a lesson. For the first time in months, Alex feels a spark of hope. Inspired by the mentor, Alex identifies a gap in the market, a problem no one else is solving. A prototype is built, and investor pitches begin. The energy is electric as Alex presents the idea with confidence. This isn't just another business, it's a solution. The pieces are finally falling into place. The third business takes off. The office is now bustling with employees, and media interviews are frequent. Milestones are celebrated, first $1 million in revenue, then 10. The struggles of the past seem distant as Alex leads a thriving company. Hard work, resilience, and lessons learned have finally paid off. Alex stands on stage delivering a keynote speech to aspiring entrepreneurs. The audience is captivated by the story of failures turned into success. A book titled Fail Forward is displayed prominently. This is the full circle moment, using hard-earned wisdom to inspire others. The journey from bankruptcy to millionaire is complete.